how to add Google Drive Quick Actions widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on Widgets. After that, scroll down, then tap on Drive, and then scroll down again. In here, drag the Drive Quick Actions widget and drop it onto your home screen and let go. And tap anywhere on the screen to save the changes. Here you can quickly use the camera to capture a document. You can tap on the add button to add files to your drive, or you can search for files on your drive. So this is kind of like a shortcut of suggested files, widget available directly on your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.